Calling all dice shooters and strategy nerds? Let's see if you know the ins and outs of the Iron Cross. You've got 3 seconds per question. Let's go! Question 1. What's the Iron Cross strategy designed to avoid? The answer is rolling a 7, because that's the one number that ruins your combo. Question 2. Which bets make up the Iron Cross strategy? The answer is field bet plus place bets on 5, 6, and 8. This covers almost everything except 7. Question 3. Why do players love this strategy? The answer is you win on almost every number. More hits, more payouts, more action. Question 4. What's the risk of using the Iron Cross? The answer is, if a 7 hits, you lose all your bets. It's a high coverage setup, but not without danger. Question 5. True or false? You should always place a bet on 4 when using Iron Cross. The answer is false. The strategy skips 4 and focuses on faster payouts. That's the Iron Cross in a nutshell.